Hey guys, welcome back to Chinese Zero to Hero. So it seems like that many of you really liked my previous video on 成语 and you wanted to see more. So here it is. I'll be teaching you some more commonly used 成语. But in this video, I'll be focusing specifically on the ones with numbers in it. So these 4-character idioms should be easier to remember because at least 1 or 2 out of the 4 characters are numbers. And we all know numbers, right? By the way, if you haven't seen my previous video on 成语, you can find them on our YouTube channel page. So without wasting any more time, let's get right into it. So I'm going to be starting from the low numbers. The first one is 独一无二. 独一无二. 独的意思就是只有 only. 然后无就是没有 without. 所以意思就是只有一个，没有第二个。So it's unique, it's one of a kind, the one and only. As a basketball player, he's one of a kind. 中文怎么说？作为篮球运动员，篮球就是 basketball, 运动员就是 athlete or player. 他是独一无二的, he's one of a kind. 下一个是数一数二。我们知道数就是 count or enumerate. 比如说数数字 to count numbers, 数数字。意思就是不是第一就是第二 It's either number 1 or number 2 So one of the best or among the best 他是最聪明最好的学生 He's one of the best students in the class 我们可以说他是班上数一数二的好学生 And this reminds me of a song by 王力宏 which uses 独一无二 and 数一数二
他真的不容易，他的唱法独一无二，这种艺术数一数二，希望帮全世界的华人唱出大家的心声。
By the way, we did post some of these 成语 on Instagram lately, so be sure to follow us over there at Chinese Zero to Hero. We do post every day. Alright, the next one is 一心一意。一心一意。我们知道心就是 heart, 然后意就是 intention or desire.So this basically means wholeheartedly or focusing entirely on one thing. I just want to do this project wholeheartedly. 我只想 I just want to 一心一意 with all my heart 把这个项目做好 finish or complete this project. Alright, now let's go higher to the number 3. This one is 三心二意. 三心二意. So this uses the same structure as 一心一意. Can you guess what this means?Yep, this is the opposite of 一心一意。这个意思就是又想这样又想那样，不专一 not fully focusing on one thing, half-heartedly, or be of two minds. 我们看到这个孩子在上课的时候玩手机 He's playing with his phone in class. 我们应该对他说什么？上课时要专心听讲，不要三心二意。要专心听讲You have to listen carefully to the lecture. 不要三心二意. Don't be of two minds. The next one is 乱七八糟. 乱七八糟. This is pretty common. You've probably heard of it before or even used it. This simply means complete disorder or in a mess. So this person has so much clutter and mess on the desk. 书桌上有这么多乱七八糟的东西，你怎么能工作呢？So how can you work in such a mess on your desk? Now, before moving on to the rest, I've come across a PhD dissertation which covers this exact topic of analysis of Chinese 4-character idioms containing numbers by Timothy M. Nall. It's a very detailed 200-page analysis, and from it, we got some interesting stats. For example, out of all the numbered 成语, 74% take the form number, character, number, character. For example, 三心二意. And only 15% take the form character, number, character, number. And apparently the most commonly used number in 成语 is 一, and then it's 三, 千, 万, 百, and so on. Another interesting fact is that the number 7-8 combination seems to have a special meaning because they're mostly used to express disorder, untidiness, and disturbance, such as 乱七八糟. And other than 乱七八糟, there's also 七嘴八舌, which is 7 mouths and 8 tongues. It means everyone talking at the same time, talking over each other. There's also 七上八下, which is an unsettled state of mind. 好，我们下一个来看十，这个成语是十全十美。十全十美，它的意思就是完美 perfect. So it's kind of like when you're giving a score of 10, a perfect 10. 在学生们眼里 in the eyes of the students, 她是一位十全十美 She's a perfect teacher, 十全十美的老师。Okay, now we're moving on to the hundred and thousands. 下一个是千方百计，千方百计。方就是方法 a method, 然后计就像计划 a plan or an idea. So this is 1,000 methods, 100 plans. It basically means to make every possible effort or attempt, or by every possible means. 我们应该千方百计地去完成这个目标。We should do everything possible or to make every possible effort or attempt to accomplish 完成这个目标 this goal. Alright, the last one, which is going up to 10,000 now, is 千真万确。千真万确。我们知道万就是 10,000, 一万。真和确的意思就是 true or real. So this is real to 1,000 and 10,000, which is absolutely real. 他说的每一句话都是千真万确的。Everything he says, every sentence he says, 他说的每一句话都是千真万确的 is absolutely true. Alright, that's it for this video. I hope that you learned something new today. If you like these kind of videos, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for future videos like this and turn on the notification bell. Just like previous videos, I made a short little quiz for you to test yourself. It'll be a link in the video description on YouTube. If you're learning Chinese and you want to take it to the next level, we do offer HSK 1 to 6 complete courses on our website. You can preview the first lesson of any course for free, so why not check it out? That's it for this video. Thanks for watching, and hopefully I'll see you in the next video.